many of the animals that live here at ZooMontana have companions in their habitats, whether that's another animal of the same species or of a different one. And just like the relationships between humans take time to grow and be established, the mutual understanding that two animals have with each other in a shared area also takes time to develop. That is the topic of today's video. We are talking about the social dynamics of the animals that live here at ZooMontana and how the knowledge and the fostering of those social dynamics play a role in providing the best care possible for the animals that live here. One of the most charismatic species that live here at ZooMontana are the gray wolves Kali, Kahlua, Simpson, and Onyx. If you've been to the zoo recently, you may have noticed that it's still just Kali and Kahlua out in their main habitat, despite Simpson and Onyx having lived here for a while. The reason that Simpson and Onyx aren't out in the main habitat with their older companions is social dynamics. Gray wolves are incredibly social animals, and in the wild they can be found living in packs ranging from 4 to 20 individuals. Now, just like every friend in your social group or every member at your workplace has a different role to play in the social dynamics there, every single wolf within the pack occupies a different role and a different social standing. And like with humans, while we tend to figure out our social standings and rank with mental prowess, wolf social dynamics, if challenged or left unresolved, can take a turn for the worse. This is something that we want to avoid as animal care staff. In efforts to avoid this, we are doing very slow, steady, and supervised introductions with Kali, Kahlua, Simpson, and Onyx. This is incredibly important for Simpson especially. Because Simpson was abandoned as a young pup and raised by humans, he doesn't quite understand how to be a wolf and must learn so from Onyx, who did grow up with wolves during that critical time in his social development. This is a learning experience for everyone, human and wolf alike, and slow and steady wins the race. Thank you for watching this ZooClues video. If y'all have any other comments or questions about anything that happens at your zoo, go ahead and DM us or drop it in the comments. And who knows, maybe your question will be the topic of our next ZooClues video. Bye everybody.